Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have another craft haul to share with you guys, and I picked up some things because I want to start on some mini albums for some Mother's Day gifts that I plan to give. And I wanted to share some of the things that I picked up. Hobby Lobby had all of the Paper Studio products on sale for 50% off. So I did pick up a few things from Hobby Lobby. I ordered a few things online and also from a couple of different places online. So anyway, I am going to go ahead and get into showing you some of these things. Okay, so I'm going to start with this Petals in Bloom 6x6 paper pad that I got. Everything that I picked up from Hobby Lobby today was to coordinate with this paper pack. And I don't know if y'all remember or if y'all have seen one of my past videos. It was a Plan With Me video. I showed you a sticker book that I got with the Petals in Bloom, and it had all these same designs, the flowers, the stripes, and polka dots. Just quickly flipping through to show you guys. Just a really fun paper pad, really pretty and girly, and I thought this would be perfect paper to use on my mini albums. So I got that, and I picked up another one of the sticker books. These stickers coordinate with the paper, so I still have some left over in the other sticker book that I got, but I like to use that one for my planner design. So I got this one just for the mini albums that I'm gonna make. I also got one of these paper crafting kits, and this is also Petals and Blooms. It has the chipboard stickers, the pattern papers, some other stickers, and also the alphabet stickers. So I'm going to also be using this to go along in the books. So I got that stuff, and then I got some paper flowers by the Paper Studio to embellish my books. So those are really pretty. So all of this coordinates, and I'm going to show y'all, just in case you didn't watch the past haul video where I talked about my plans for Mother's Day gifts. I had got this Petals and Blooms gift bag set. I got these mini sacks for some of my co-workers who are moms. And then I also got these gable boxes that I plan on embellishing and decorating for treats and things like that. So all of this really coordinates with the things that I got. So this is all for my Mother's Day crafting. So that is that. I also got one of these Paper Studio craft tools. It's the mini punches, the pennant and banner punch set. So got that. I ordered online on Amazon some double-sided tape because I'll be using a lot of this for my mini albums. So this is 3 rolls of the 1/2 inch thick double-sided tape. Okay, I also ordered these Wise dies, and these are like corner dies, and I thought this would be nice to make some decorative corners on some of the pages in my mini album. And I'm gonna also leave a link to Scrap the World. That is a channel here on YouTube, and I believe Tamika runs that channel. and it's called Scrap the World. I'm going to leave her link below because I actually saw a beautiful mini album that she did, and she did a tutorial on that mini album, and I am going to try to follow her directions on how to make that mini album, and I want to recreate that one for my Mother's Day gift set. So we'll see how that turns out, and I'll definitely share that with you guys, but I'll leave her link below. I also got one of these crocodile corner chompers, and I got this off of Amazon as well. I needed one of these. I have some corner rounders, but I've been wanting one of these, so I just picked up this one. I also got a large scoreboard, and this one is We Are Memory Keepers, and I ordered this one on Amazon. And this is the trim and scoreboard, and I have the mini scoreboard, but I'm gonna need this larger one just to make the process of making these little mini albums faster. Plus, I have some large envelopes that I made one time, and I had to use the small scoreboard from Martha Stewart that I have. It worked, but it was a little bit more time consuming because it was not large enough for the project that I was working on. I made it work though, but I've been wanting to get a large one anyways, so I picked this one up, and it folds out to fit 12 by 12, just like this. And I just pull this out and just put that back in there like that. So it folds out like that. So, and then there's a little slot to stick the little bone folder. So yeah, just a score board, just a 12 by 12 scoreboard. So I got that. And also for my mini albums, let me move this out the way, I did order a pack of the medium chipboard, and it's the 8.5 by 11 that I can cut down for my mini albums. I'm just going to see how many albums I can make with this. This is 25 sheets, and I think I only paid like, I want to say it's like $7 to $10. I ordered them on Amazon. Yeah, so that's for my mini albums. And also got some of this Studio His and Hers from Hobby Lobby. This really pretty ribbon here, and this will go good in some mini albums, and as well as wedding cards. And some of these little paper flowers. These were on sale for 50% off. And I did get some of this vine garland in white, silver, and these little silver flower embellishments. And I also ordered some Spectrum Noir markers. Yeah, this is, I think, the most recent pack of the one of the most recent packs that they came out with of Spectrum Noir markers, and this is a 24 pack. This is the nature one. I have all of the original ones, but I did not have these. When I saw this, I was like, I need to order those because I don't have those colors. So these are nature, this pack. And I also ordered this pack, which is also new, and this one is vintage. So I'll need to download the most recent coloring chart for the markers, because this is the one that I have and I have been using. So I collected all of these. Now I need to add these two to the bunch. So I'm gonna open one up because I was really hoping that they would start putting like brush nibs instead of the bullet nibs on these markers, because I love these markers, but I would love, it's just kind of expensive to change all the bullet nibs out to brush nibs. So these are the colors that come in this set, this nature set. I'm just gonna open one up and see. Yes, same. Where are you at? Okay, there you go. Same like bullet nib, which is a little less flexible, well, a lot less flexible than say a brush nib, but these markers are awesome. I love them, and I know I'll make them work like I always do. But anyways, so I got these. Then I also got this 6-piece Spectrum Noir marker storage system, because I've already filled up my other 2 packs like this, so I had to order another one so that I could properly store these with the rest of my markers. So with that being said, I am going to pan over and show you guys this setup here before I add these markers, and then I'll show you again after I have already added these markers. And that will do it for this haul. I'm going to be doing more coloring videos. I really used to enjoy my coloring videos, but like I just recently got back into my craft room, started crafting and stuff, so I am definitely going to be sharing more coloring with you guys. I really enjoy coloring, and I love these Spectrum Noir markers. But yeah, guys, so we have come to the end of this video. I want to say thank you guys for watching and liking. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please click the link below to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So here is my marker storage before I add my additional markers. And here it is with all of the markers. And I still have 2 trays empty here. In case they decide to add more colors, I have 2 trays. So that's enough for another 24 pack markers. So anyway, I love my little setup here. I may redo the color and put all of the colors that are in the same family together. I may do that, but for now I'm just gonna keep it like this until I decide to do some reorganizing. So yeah, that is it.